I bet you thought this was over. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Madison Paige and let's just jump into the video. So for today's video I am pulling out a super secret Halloween final episode of Spook Week video thing. I'm doing this because I kind of felt like the ending of Spook Week was on the tad anticlimactic side, so I wanted to do something cool and special and fun and good and fresh just for you guys. Now if you follow me on Twitter you will know that my mood this month has been, well, not great. So I wasn't really planning on doing anything, but then I decided to do Spook Week and I was super excited, and then it ended and it was not great. So I sat for ages and I thought, what could I do to be like a really good fun final episode? At first I thought I should maybe recreate my first ever Halloween video, but then I kind of thought, well, the makeup in that is, you know, that I kind of like it how it is and I don't really want to recreate it. So then I thought maybe I should reveal to you guys what I'm gonna be for Halloween. I kind of want Halloween to be, you know, my season, like how other YouTubers, you're always super excited to see their vlogmas and see what they're doing for Christmas. I want that for me, but for Halloween. So yeah, I'm revealing to you guys today what my Halloween costume is going to be. The only issue is I didn't know what I was going to be or if I was going to be anything until last Friday. So yeah, I'm not going to do like a tutorial with this video. I'm just going to kind of do like a time lapse and you guys can see what I'm doing and try and take guesses of what I am while I'm doing it. And then at the end of the video, I will reveal to you what it is that I am. So let's go. Second, the spook has spook. And so there we have it. That is my finished look. I did have to change the neck wound a little bit. Just because the latex I got was shit. I mean, I got it from my local costume shop, which is not super high quality, but you know, it was alright. I just changed it up. I had a few of those tattoos left over, so I did a tattoo instead and tried to make it all black. But yeah, did anybody manage to guess what I am? I'll give you a minute. No, I am, drum roll please, myself. I decided this year that I was going to be me if every surgery I ever had happened to be botched. So I have my throat, I have my holes, which obviously I couldn't do all the holes because my hair's covering them. I did some blood spatches where I have other surgeries, and yeah, I got this hospital gown off Amazon. Some drama there, it almost didn't come in time, but you know, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. It's funny, one of my mutuals on Twitter tweeted this yesterday and I responded with, it's funny you should say that because, you know, I am literally myself. It was a long and frustrating process, but then again, all of this has been a long and frustrating process. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what your favourite look from Spook Week has been. Also comment down below a favourite Halloween look that you have done. Subscribe if you haven't already and tap the bell notification thingy to be notified every time I post, and I will see you next time. Bye!